Welcome to RankUpTon. RankUpTon is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the TaskMaker under the institution with RankUpTon. Here in the main dashboard, you can able to see the TaskMaker module. I'm just clicking on the TaskMaker module. Here inside, you can able to see the templates which is already created by other institution admins, as well as the teachers who has created the templates can be viewed here. And also you can able to view that based on the grades. So you can click on particular grade and also you can able to view whether any template is available for that particular grade. So here for mathematics 9th grade, you can able to see the templates which is already available here. By clicking on the template, I can able to show you like what kind of template it is. It's a kind of challenge. And this is a science for 9th grade. It's a kind of challenge type. So by clicking on the next, you can able to see the next questions here. And also I'll show you how to create a template under the TaskMaker. So here in the TaskMaker, like if you're going to create a template, in the sense for that you can able to create it based on the visibility. If you're going to create a template in a public mode, in the sense the template which you're going to create it can be viewed by all the teachers as well as the institution admin can able to view this particular template. And if you're going to create a template in a private mode, in the sense the template which you're going to create it can be viewed only by yourself. And I'm going to create a template in a public mode. So for the particular grade is like for 6th grade, for the subject mathematics. And here below you have many types here. So under the types like learning activity types, we have mainly like automation, semi-automation and the non-automation are the major types here. So now let us see like what is automation. Any learning activity schedule ensure the content delivery, response collections and validation by itself is known as an automation type. So by clicking on any one of the automation type, I can able to show you what will be the response collections for the automation type. So for automation type, you have the response collection like choose the right answer, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, true or false, yes or no. So these are all the response collections which we have for the automation. So here you can able to see like in the automation type, we have like live contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, summative assessment, examination, experiment, homework and assignment. So these are all the types which you have under the automation type. Now let us see what is semi-automation. A learning activity which consists of both automation and non-automation element is called as semi-automation. So under semi-automation you have like quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, summative assessment, examination, experiment, homework and assignment. So by clicking on any one of the semi-automation type, I can able to show you what will be the response collection for semi-automation type. So for semi-automation type, we have like voice response, choose the right answer with text, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, text with attachment, short answer, essay, attach the work, true or false, yes or no. So these are all the response collections which we have for the semi-automation type. Now let us see like what is non-automation. Any learning activity schedule require the manual validation or interpretation for the classroom responses is known as the non-automation. Under non-automation, we have like survey, events, polls, feedback, others. So by clicking on any one of the non-automation type, now I can able to show you what will be the response collection for non-automation. So here you have like choose the right option with images, choose the right option with text, true or false, yes or no, rating with text. So these are all the response collections which we have for the non-automation type. So now I'm just going to create a template for semi-automation. It's kind of quiz. So my title, and my question is 33 a prime number? So in the response collections, I'm just going with the option like text format. I need a response with the text format. And here you have an option like add answer. You can click on the add answer, and you can able to, if you want, you can able to add the answer. Otherwise, you can able to manually correct it in the student's sheet actually. And for this particular question, I'm just going to give the credit like 5 marks. And for this quiz in semi-automation, maximum up to 100 questions you can able to give in an activity. So now I'm just going to add one more question here. I'm going to add the answer. And the next question. And the next question. And the next question. So as I told you previously, you can able to add maximum up to 100 questions for this particular activity. So I'm just going to add few questions for a sample. I have added the questions. Here in the right hand side, you can able to view like how it will be viewed in the student screen. The previous questions, you can able to see that here. And also for a template, if you want to save the template in the sense, you can able to save that in a draft. Otherwise, if you want to publish the template in the sense, you can click on this template option. So that the learning activity template has been created successfully. So I have created an activity, right? So it's kind of template. This template can be used by the teachers who all are taking class for the same 6th grade mathematics. So the teachers, all the teachers for 6th grade mathematics who are taking class, they can able to use this template for their particular classrooms. By using this meaningful contents, the teacher can able to save their time more. They can able to save their time significantly here. By connecting and collaborating with the right learning resources as an institution admin, you can help your teacher users to save their precious time. Spending on repeated tasks, it helps all the teachers to save their time more, up to maximum to 90% of the teachers' time will be saved, so that they can able to utilize the time to spend more time with the students to help them to perform better. This is how the TaskMaker works under the institution.
Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. Rank Up 10 LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.